Mayor, you should see my roses. That family planted ugly weeds beside my garden.
Mr. Stern, every family deserves a chance. The contest is open to all neighbors fairly. Fairly? I spent $3,000 on plants. They spent $3 on cheap seeds.
Judges care about heart, Mr. Stern. Let everyone enjoy the neighborhood garden fairly today.
That family will cry on Friday. Nobody beats my imported exotic prize plants. Period.
Jake, did you hear Mr. Stern? He actually called our beautiful vegetable garden complete garbage. Let him say what he wants. We planted every seed ourselves, Emma. That truly matters. I water them every morning, Jake. I even talk to them. They are my friends. Me too. I check the soil every night before sleeping. They really need us, Emma. Then we will not lose, Jake. Love is the strongest fertilizer in this entire world.
Your children talk to vegetables, Tom. Pathetic. My gardener has 40 years of experience.
My children love what they grow. Money buys beauty, but love grows true life.
Your garden is a joke. My roses are taller, stronger, and far more beautiful.
We will see, Mr. Stern. Nature has the final word. No money changes that.
I control nature, Tom. Sprinklers, fertilizers, hired experts, nothing in my garden ever dies.
Look, every single expensive rose you own is dead and completely gone now.
Impossible. These plants cost thousands. My sprinklers ran nightly. They simply cannot die like this.
Look, Mr. Stern, our vegetables survived the heat wave. They are greener and healthier than ever.
Your seeds are alive. My expensive plants all died. I cannot understand this, little girl.
We cared every day, Mr. Stern. Love made them stronger. That is our only secret.
Mr. Stern, your garden is dead. The family's vegetables survived. I've made my final decision.
Mayor, I spent thousands. They used cheap seeds. This contest cannot be fair at all.
No sprinkler replaces love, Mr. Stern. The winner is this family for heart and sustainability.
Kids, this trophy belongs to every seed we loved and every morning we showed up.
You won what I cannot buy. I am sorry, Tom.